All right, y'all, we about to do a vegetarian chili. All right, you see these corn meatless grounds? This is vegetarian chili, meatless chili. Putting it down. Got our oregano, our chili powder, some sugar, and we got some steak seasoning. Our black beans, I like to use black beans personally. And we got our ragu sauce. I use the garden combination, and our spaghetti, and some water. All right, let's get to it. All right, first thing we want to do is we want to get the spaghetti on. All right, kind of break them up into quarters. Once we do that, get them to a good boil. Then you want to rinse them off, of course. And now we want to add our black beans. Then I grab some Italian seasoning. I'm going to stir that in real good. Then want to add some of that chili powder. Get that stirred in. Now, if we let that cook about 10 minutes, give it a good stir. Now we're coming in with our meatless grounds. I'm gonna use about a bag and a half. And the texture of this is just like ground beef. You know, I know y'all been out in grocery stores, hard to find meat. So if you see this in the little steak seasoning on there, you see this in the frozen food aisle, don't be afraid to grab it. A little Italian seasoning on that. And we'll get some of that chili powder. All right, we're gonna stir that on up, mix that on in. Get you good and filled up just like you would if it was ground beef. Let that cook in for about 10 minutes. Give it a good stir. Now we're gonna come with our ragu sauce. And then we're gonna add our rest of our Italian seasoning. And we're gonna be really generous with that chili powder and sugar. I put sugar to kind of cut a little bit of the acidic aspect of the tomato, and then we're gonna the tomato and sauce. Then we're gonna put that water in. We won't do a whole lot because we want to make sure that this stays thick so we can all come together. We'll add some more water later. Get that stirred in real good. Yeah, look at it. That's thick. You see how thick it is? That's gonna be some good eating right there. That's smacking now. Come back with some more of that chili powder. A little bit more of that sugar. Give it a good stir. After about 15-20 minutes of this, we're going to add a little bit of water. Let's cover it up. Let those flavors come together. All right, look at that. Cover it back up for about 10 minutes. It's about a 30-minute process. You know, with the vegetarian meat, you don't have to really, cook that a long time because you're not cooking down fats and things of that sort. Now, let's plate it. See what it look like. Got some wheat Ritz crackers right there. Let's see what it do. All right, look at that. Dropped a little bit right there. That's cool though. Get a little bit more. All right. Put a little bit of sour cream on it here. And we're gonna sprinkle a little cheese. Bam. Just like that. And that's smacking. Look at that. Your vegetarian chili. Meatless chili. Look at it. Doesn't that look good? And it tastes as good as it looks. Please believe that. Let me get a spoon. Let me show you what it do real quick. Let me show you something real quick. Look at that. Look at this goodness right here. Look at that. Meaty, just like you had some ground beef in there. Hey, subscribe to the channel. Thank y'all for watching. Hey, keep smacking. And come on back and see me next time. See what I got for you. Thank you. Peace.